What is Python? Now let's talk about Python specifically. Python is a programming language, a way to communicate with computers. Created in the late 1980s by Guido van Rossum, it's named after the comedy group Monty Python, not the snake. Fun fact, right?
Python is incredibly versatile. You can use it across countless domains and in countless exciting projects. Here's just a taste of what you can do with it. You can do web development with it, like building dynamic websites and apps, powering giants like Pinterest for sharing ideas or Dropbox for seamless file storage. You can do data science and analysis, like diving into big data with tools like Pandas, crunching numbers to uncover insights for businesses, scientists, or even predicting trends in your favorite sports. You can do automation, like streamlining your life with scripts that handle tedious tasks. Think renaming hundreds of files in seconds, automating email blasts, or pulling data from websites effortlessly. You can do artificial intelligence with it. You can unleash the power of AI using libraries like TensorFlow to create smart machine learning models that recognize images, recommend movies, and chat. You can do game development, like crafting fun games from scratch, starting with simple classics using Pygame. Imagine building your own version of Snake or a puzzle adventure. You can tackle scientific simulations, financial modeling, or even robotics. The possibilities are endless, and you'll be amazed at how Python fits into almost any field.
As of 2026, Python consistently tops rankings, like the TOB Index or Stack Overflow surveys. It's free, open source, and has a massive community. Millions of developers sharing code and help on sites like Stack Overflow or Reddit. Plus, it's cross-platform, works on Windows, Mac, Linux. Big companies like Google, NASA, and Spotify use it because it's efficient and scalable. If you're wondering, is Python the right first language? Absolutely. It's beginner-friendly but powerful enough for pros. You'll feel accomplished quickly, which builds that confidence we're aiming for. In the next video, we'll set up your environment so you can write your first code.